back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and traditional café de olla. It's a delicious cold coffee drink. This cold coffee drink is delicious and is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: 1 abuelita tablet chocolate, vanilla extract, of course made at home, and you have that recipe on my channel, 1 cone sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, half a cup of granulated coffee, 1 evaporated milk, 1 condensed milk, water, and of course ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious Mexican café de olla coffee drink. So let's get started. I want to start with my saucepan, and you know something, to this I'm going to add the granulated coffee. You could use the coffee granulated you have at home. I have the sugar cone, 1 cinnamon stick that I'm going to pull apart so it releases all the delicious flavor of the cinnamon. And to this, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 abuelita tablet of chocolate. This café de olla, you guys are going to love it. Remember, when you cook it in very low heat. Look at this. We pulled apart all the cinnamon stick. And now I am ready to add 2 to 3 cups of water. And I am ready. Let's take it to the stove and start making this delicious café de olla. You want to make sure that you put it in low heat. Just be moving it around. Look at this. You could see the sugar cone, the tablet of chocolate. Just make sure that you're mixing it. Let it simmer. Let it cook for at least 10 minutes to 15 minutes in very low heat, so that slowly the tablet is going to come apart. It's going to start melting. And the last thing that melts is the sugar cone. Just make sure that you're mixing it so it doesn't, start boiling and come over and make a mess on your stove. It really doesn't take too long. When it's simmering just like this, you'll see that you still have a little bit of sugar cone. That's fine. Continue mixing. When you make a café de olla at home, let it cook and simmer in very low heat. You could smell the delicious aroma of the coffee with those ingredients. Is just amazing. You could drink this café de olla in cold weather. When it's very cold, you drink it nice and hot. When it's hot, you could drink it nice and cold. Remember, I didn't add any sugar. I added the sugar cone. I didn't add any granulated sugar, but the sugar is to taste. Now I am ready to start adding the milks. I have 1 evaporated and 1 condensed milk. I'm going to go ahead and incorporate everything completely. Once everything is incorporated, I'm going to add the vanilla extract. This vanilla extract is made at home. Just 1 splash of the vanilla extract, and believe me, it gives it a delicious flavor. Okay, now that this is done, I'm going to go ahead and start putting through a sifter the café de olla. Let me put this aside and let me continue. I have one of these sifters. I'm going to add it in here and I'm going to start pouring all the café de olla. I wish you guys were here so you could smell the delicious aroma of this café. It's really amazing. You want to just get all the liquid out And of course, I'm not gonna throw this away. I'm gonna add it to my garden. I'm gonna go ahead, just put it aside, and I wanna show you how the liquid looks, the café de olla. The smell is amazing. It's nice and thick. The color is really nice and dark. That's exactly how you want it. That's why you let it cook, simmering in medium low heat. Low heat, you decide, but at least 10 to 15 minutes. Look at this. And now let me show you the condensed milk and the evaporated milk. It's really thick, really creamy. And this combination is gonna be delicious, this café de olla. Nice and cold and perfect for this hot weather. And now I am ready to incorporate these two ingredients. Just make sure that you are whisking so that everything incorporates completely. Look at this. This is completely done. I'm gonna taste it. To my tasting, this is great. I don't need to add any granulated sugar. I have my pitcher here. I'm gonna add enough ice. And now I am ready to pour in the café de olla. Here at home, everybody loves this delicious café de olla. Nice and cold, perfect for this hot weather. And today it's very hot. And this is just perfection made at home. I have my glass here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the chocolate syrup. That's optional if you don't wanna add it. To tell you the truth, you don't need to. The café de olla really has an amazing flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and add enough ice. Because like I said, it's very hot here in California today, and I really wanna enjoy it just like that. And now I am ready to pour it on my glass. I am ready to enjoy this delicious café de olla. I'll see you in just a little bit. I'm ready for the presentation. Completely done with this delicious café de olla, cold coffee. If you love coffee like I do, you are going to love this delicious cold coffee. Of course, made at home with lots of love. Excuse me. Definitely something delicious, amazing. And of course, when it's made at home, it's perfection. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious cold café de olla made at home. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it like I enjoyed here with my family. To like, subscribe, and share. See you soon on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.